Hello friends, welcome. Myself Arvind Meshram from KBT College of Engineering Nasik, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Today we see the introduction to mechatronics for third year of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering students. This is a subject which deals with the mechatronics and design of the products. If you see in the world, every product you will see the mechatronics in that. So we'll start with the syllabus, what is there in the first unit of mechatronics subject. In syllabus of SPPU, it contains basic of mechatronic systems. It deals with the definition of mechatronics, key elements of mechatronic systems, level of mechatronic system, measurement characteristics, examples of mechatronic systems such as washing machine, digital cameras, CD players, camcorders, mechatronics design process, phases of mechatronic design process, and integrated design approach. Mechanical components and servo mechanism, mechanical systems in motion, mass inertia, dashpot, gears, type of gears, servo mechanism such as concepts and theory, its problems, and at the last we'll see one case study dealing with a mechatronic system like a coin counter or coin separator. If we go through the definition of mechatronics, the mechatronics word comes from 1969. In the previous, all systems or products were made of mechanical elements only. Then some part of electronics is imposed in the mechanical parts and it becomes mechatronics. So mechatronics word comes into the 1969. The T. Mori defined the mechatronics as the word mechatronics is composed of mecha from mechanics and tronics from electronics. In other words, technologies and developed products will be incorporated electronics more and more into mechanism, intimately and organically, and making it impossible to tell where one ends and the other begins. This is the very basic definition of mechatronics. As the years goes on, the definition changes. First, only the mechatronics was the combination of mechanics and electronics. Then some control engineering is introduced. So again the definition of mechatronics changes. W. Bolton defined the mechatronics as integration of electronics, control engineering and mechanical engineering. He introduced the word control engineering. Then again the definition changes with the time. Next definition given by Harshamma is synergistic integration of mechanical engineering with electronics and intelligent computer control in the design and manufacturing of industrial products and process. Here the new word from intelligent or software engineering is introduced. Again, the definition of mechatronics nowadays is a synergic use of precision engineering. We said precision engineering, control theory, computer science, sensors and actuators technology to design improved products and process. Here the new terms are used as sensors and actuator technology. Now in this era, the sensors are playing a vital role and these are used in the products and the process which is used in the industry as well as in the domestic appliances. If we see the diagram over here, it is the synergic. Synergic means the integrated combination. Integrated, the terms are interrelated with to each other. You can see control systems, you can see computers, you can see mechanical systems, you can see electronic systems, and the combination of all these is a mechatronics. If we consider only the control system and computers, so we get digital control system. If we consider computers and mechanical systems, we get the mechanical CAD, that is computer aided designs. If we consider mechanical systems and electronic systems, you will get the electromechanics. If we see the combination of synergic combination of the control system and electronic system, you will get the control electronics, and the combination are working of all these engineering, control engineering, computer engineering, mechanical engineering, and electronic engineering gives us the subject mechatronics. Now, working definition. Again, the definition of mechatronics right now, a working definition, is defined as mechatronics is the synergic integration of sensors, actuators, signal conditioning, power electronics, decision and control algorithms, and computer hardware and software to manage complexity, uncertainty, and communication in engineered system. If we take any engineered system, so all these elements are present nowadays. Sensors are used to sense the various parameters. For example, let us say if we are using the boiler system, then we have to sense the temperature of the boiler, and to keep that particular temperature constant, we have to use the sensors, the actuators, the signal conditioning circuit. Sensors are used to sense the temperature. There are various types of sensors or transducers. Signal conditioning circuits, because the sensors have the output which is not useful, which is not giving the useful signal to the electronic circuit. So signal conditioning circuits we require. The power electronics is there, actuators to move or actuate the system, control algorithm, when to make the heater on, when to make the heater off for having constant temperature of the boiler. There may be the computer hardware and software to manage complexity. This can be seen in the case of SCADA. If we want remotely to control the temperature of the boiler, then this system can be again integrated with the SCADA. Uncertainty and communication. Communication is used to communicate from one place to another place, maybe from the sensors to the system. Here we can use the virtual instrumentation or real instrumentation. Okay. The mechatronics, in general, the mechatronics system is the combination of the information system, the computer system, mechanical system, and electrical system. This diagram is taken from the K.P. Ramchandran's book, that is Mechatronics. In mechatronics, the domain contains the electronics, the information technology or software, mechanics, and electromechanics. If we are talking about the electronics, we have to use, in electronics we have a digital and analog hardware, microelectronics, power electronics, sensors, actuators. These are the part of electronics. When we are talking about the information technology, then software engineering, system theory, control engineering, automation technology, artificial intelligence are the part of information technology. If we are talking about the mechanics and electromechanics, so in any system we can see the mechanical elements, the electromechanical elements, precision elements, machines and actuators, and of course the energy conversion. All these combined together will be the new combination of all subjects called as the mechatronics. The same can be seen in this particular diagram. The kinetics, statics, materials, mechanism, pneumatics, hydraulics, feedback system, cascade control, adaptive control, modeling, first order system, second order system, signal processing, sensors, circuit, actuators, all these combined together gives us the mechatronics system. Here we have to use the microcontroller from electronic side. We will use the simulation from information technology, system modeling, actuators, different type of actuators. Electrical actuators are there, hydraulic actuators are there, pneumatic actuators are there, and to actuate these actuators will require the signals. The signals may be the mechanical signals or electrical signals. So all the combination of electronics, mechanical, computer and the control system, or nowadays it is called the instrumentation system or instrumentation and control, gives us combinedly the mechatronics. You can see distinctly over here there are some electronic devices which are used everywhere. Electronic devices have been developed to make life more enjoyable, easier, safer and more productive. You can see some diagram pictures over here. Some examples are microwave oven. If the microwave oven is not there, the life would have been somewhat difficult. Traffic lights to control and regulate the traffic. Computers, nowadays computers are very essential part and parcel of life. Games console. These are some examples of a mechatronic system which is having a program. It is a program. Some electronic control systems. There are two types of electronic devices. One is purely electronic device such as digital watch. The mechatronic device such as computer hard drive. My question is, if we are considering the computer hard drive, does it come to mechatronic device? Is it a mechatronic device? What is meant by mechatronic device? Mechatronics is a synergic combination or the interrelated theory or interrelated application of mechanics, electronics, computer or IT, and the instrumentation and control, that is sensors and transducers with feedback control system. So if I am giving an example of computer hard drive, is it a mechatronic system? Does it incorporates all these parameters? Please get the answer. Again, I will give you one assignment to you. At least list down 3 electronic devices and 3 mechatronic devices in our daily life, day-to-day life. After listing up mechatronic devices, you have to explain the mechanism in each of 3 mechatronic devices listed. Whatever the listing you will be done, you will be going to write the 3 mechatronic systems, mechatronic devices. You please explain the mechanism part in mechatronic device. I will give you some possible answers. Mobile phone, television, remote control, calculator. These are purely electronic devices. Computer, DVD ROM drive, smartphone, remote door, that is a remote door in car is a mechatronic system. These are some electronic and mechatronic devices. You please tell me the 3 electronic devices and 3 mechatronic devices. Of course, in a Google class. Here are some mechatronic devices. Typical mechatronic system picks up the signal from the environment, processes them to generate output signals, transforming them, for example, into forces or actuations, motions and actions. So, some figures are given over here. Some devices are listed. So, it has the sensor, means it gives it picks the inputs, process that particular inputs and actuate with the help of that input, designed to are usable for us. For example, if we are talking about the microwave oven, then the sensors over there are the temperature sensor. For example, let us take one example of temperature sensor over there. So, temperature, monitoring the temperature. So, if we are using the microwave oven, the microwave oven is a mechatronic device which senses the temperature, controls that temperature, and over there we are using the microcontroller over where the program is written to look out the temperature, what should be the temperature. If we are giving the input to the system, for example 70 degrees centigrade, then the microcontroller will take the input from the temperature sensor, process it whether it is up or down, and give the output signal to the heating material or heating coil, which will raise or lower down the temperature stipulated. This is one of the example of a mechatronic device. Here I am giving you 4 examples of mechatronic system. First one is washing machine, second one is vending machine, third one is personal music player, and fourth one is hair dryer. My assignment to you are, you will have to list out the input and output transducers for the following products. Do it. The constituents of mechatronics, of course, there is the block diagram taken from Integrated Mechanical Electronic Systems by K.P. Ramchandran and G.K. Vijay Raghavan. This is the reference book prescribed by the SPPU. Here, the constituents of mechatronics are, of course, already we have seen this: electrical, electronics, mechanical, manufacturing, system design, information technology, computer system, and instrumentation and control engineering. All these combined together mechatronics. This is what we are seeing today. Also, we have some artificial intelligence from information technology, which gives us the product very, very useful mechatronic systems. Thank you. We will see you again in the next video.